When you talk about this 150 contract employees to be regularized, so my extra तंका कितना burden है तुमचे?
2 crores per annum.
It will be 2 crores per month. Per annum.
So how would you make it up with that?
We are already in a, we are, what was lost when I took over, it was lost for almost, I think, 80 crores. 75 crores. We cleared all the debts and now we are in a comfortable position where we can manage all this. For the last 5 years, we have not taken a single financial any assistance from the government of Goa. We have managed from the corporation ourselves. Our corporation has been self-sufficient. We have managed with all the this. And as far as all issues are concerned, we are ready for any sort of check and balance, whoever wants. We have a transparent process.
Is this a long pending demand or it has been a sudden decision of the board?
No, it is a very long pending demand. It was my endeavor to see that it was over before the term. Without the assistance of the chief minister, the board of directors, and the minister has played a very vital role also to see that issues are settled. As far as the employees are concerned, because employees temporary 24 years, 23 years, a few employees were temporary basis. So we have seen to it that all issues are settled of this. As per the we have put a system in place. Basically, all employees will be regularized.
Any new permissions or anything has been given in your board discussions as far as industries or something is concerned?
No, industrial right now, as far as allotment of plots, whatever plots that have been scrutinized have been approved.
How many
new auctions have been announced?
We have announced new auctions.
That's not this one.
Yeah. We have announced new auctions which see audit issues, height issue raise करते हैं.
Especially in the
1 second. All issues of audit we address. There is no issue which has not been addressed. Some of the issues are old, 20 years and 30 years. Even those we have addressed. I think most of the issues, legacy issues are like. I think the board of directors MD there. Legacy issues I'm settled. All legacy issues which are lying idle for 30 years, 25 years, we have cleared. Right now, the IDC is in a very good position as far as all these things, as far as all issues are concerned. We look forward in clearing even few more issues which are left.
When you talk about revenue, IDC is in surplus or what it is?
Yeah, we are in surplus.
Can you tell us the figure?
Exact figures is at the end of the financial year.
Roughly how?
We must be more than
end of the
financial year.
Okay.
But certainly 75 crores is what we have cleared the debt, and we have spent more than 100 crores, 200 crores as infrastructure works. For the last 5 years, we have spent more than 200 crores.
So from getting the IDC from loss into surplus, how that has been changed? How it was like for you?
See,
as a chairman and all?
No, we had issues first, no doubt. But then after we slowly got over, we had the support of the board, we had the support of the industrial associations, we had the support of the chief minister, we had the support of the honorable minister. It was a collective effort. And if we were not collective, it would have not taken place. First time, we have had applications where we have had people who could just apply online, single window systems. I remember once when I made a statement, we are going to go offline. I was criticized that it is a backdoor for corruption. We have had the new rules. We have specially, with the required regulations. एक book kelani. It is called a handbook, Ready Reckoner. If anything you want, it is so clear. It is in such simplified manner where you want anything, you just have to open the page and you have to get it. We have simplified the process. This we have done in the form of branding. This is part of the branding. All these things were there. Now, this handbook, you can get anything off the line. I can give you one copy for your reference also. We have had first time we had all the industries on board on the portal. What they manufacture, what is the area, how much is allotted to them. All lands which have been, in so many years, you could not make out. As a chairman, I could not find out where land was vacant, which plot was vacant. We could not make out who is using extra, who has been allotted 1,000, who is using 1,200. Now everything is digitized. We have geo mapping done. You can just on the click of a button and go and check. Such simplified processes. We have not only that, we have made construction licenses are in a single window system, directly online. If your plan is correct, no one can stop it. Next meeting is clear. Everything is simple. I remember when I came back, even for NOC of water, they had to come to the chairman. Itul ezalne. Soil jagar gan ami guri level kele, and that we plan to complete the process. Last part was the employees, and now few things which require little bit of fine tuning. That also we want to complete. I mean regulations new all day. I'll give you the gist of the whole thing. We bought regulations, new regulations. Infrastructure we put in place. We made an open portal, which human intervention for applications. Then we brought about auctions. E-auctions we brought about. First time, e-auction mante kele. The first auction, we lost a little. After that, we started gaining, and on these e-auctions, IDC che profit achieve. We have gained because of the e-auctions, and not only that, outside companies came to Goa because we have simplified the processes. Had we not?
Almost 400 CR.
Yeah, almost 400 CR of revenue came in. We had a burden of SEZ this. We had so much of burden, and not only that, because all because of the new regulations and new systems in place. We writing to all the associations. We have been given prizes for our systems, regulations, for everything, for simplification of processes. That we were able to do it. आम्ही जर तर इतू सिंपल इतू सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करू ना जाल्यार आज तें सिच्युएशन तयार जावपाना. येस.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.